Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions.
If you like this content, please check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Did you know that milk in your refrigerator has 3 uses in your garden? It does, and here they are. Number 1, plant fungus. Number 2, blossom and rot. Number 3, deters pests. Let's get into the details. Plant fungus. If you're wondering why milk works on plant fungus, it's because milk contains proteins and enzymes that create natural antiseptic properties when exposed to sunlight. Lactoferrin, which enhances the plant's natural immune abilities and destroys pathogens. It can help change the leaf surface pH, making it harder for fungi to survive. Using milk on powdery mildew is one of the most effective ways to get rid of it. On black spot, it's a great preventative method. It is best if you use it before the first signs. Once black spot is established, you may need to combine milk with neem oil. Rust, orange or rust-colored spots on the undersides of leaves. Milk is not a cure, but can slow the spread. Like black spot, once established, you may need to add neem oil for best results. Here's how to make your own do-it-yourself fungicide. Mix 1 part milk, use whole or skim, 2 to 3 parts water in a spray bottle, add a few drops of liquid soap, like Castile or dish soap, to help it stick to leaves. Shake well, apply in the morning on a sunny day, so the solution has time to dry and activate in the sun. Apply once a week for prevention, every 2 to 3 days if you already see fungus until it clears. Reapply after it rains. Powdered milk works too. Here's the recipe. 1 tablespoon of powdered milk, 1 quart, 4 cups of water, a few drops of liquid soap, optional. Shake and mist. Plant leaves once per week for prevention or every 2 to 3 days for treatment. Reapply after it rains. Be careful. Too much milk does not mean better. If you don't dilute the milk, it can lead to a sour smell, moldy residue, attraction of flies or ants if it starts to spoil. Don't overspray, just mist the leaves. Spray early in the day so it dries quickly. You may use sour but not curdled milk, and sometimes it's stronger because it has started to ferment, and that process produces lactic acid bacteria, which can help fight fungal infections like powdery mildew, act as a mild insect deterrent, add beneficial microbes to the soil. Because sour milk can be stronger, you'll want to dilute it even further. Here's your do-it-yourself recipe. Mix 1 part sour milk with 3 to 4 parts water. Add a few drops of soap, optional, to help it stick. Spray on leaves or pour at the base of the plant. Here are some plants that may benefit from your do-it-yourself. Fungicide, tomatoes, cucumbers, squash and zucchini, pumpkins, peppers, roses, peas and beans, and grapevines. Blossom and rot is that ugly black spot that forms on the bottom, blossom end, of fruits like tomatoes, peppers, squash, and zucchini. Blossom. Rot is not a disease. It's a calcium deficiency in the plant, usually from inconsistent watering or poor nutrient uptake. And milk contains calcium, which can be absorbed by the plant, some through roots, some via leaves, to help prevent this problem. Your do-it-yourself recipe is the same as with a fungicide. Mix 1 cup milk with 2 cups of water. Or for powdered milk, 1 tablespoon powdered milk with 4 cups water. Pour around the base of the plant once a week. Deters, pests. Milk isn't a full-on insecticide, but it can discourage soft-bodied insects and confuse pests when sprayed on leaves. Adding milk to your garden routine is an easy, effective, and natural way of getting rid of fungus. It can cure blossom end rot and deter pests. Please note all mentioned products are linked below.
We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.